Changing your primary email on Buy Me a Coffee is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Buy Me a Coffee website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Locate email settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Email or Contact Information. Click on it to view your current email address. Step 4. Update your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Isrog to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your primary email address. Now you have successfully changed your primary email on Buy Me a Coffee. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their support for assistance.